Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist. I'm back again with another awesome video, and today I have with me a product that's going to help you keep eyes on your loved one when you are away from home. This is a beautiful indoor home security camera that we received from EZVIZ, and I'm going to tell you all about it after you're done pressing that subscribe button and the notification icon. If you're watching us on YouTube, if you're watching us on Facebook, go ahead and please press the like and follow us there as well, because we are there on Facebook as well. We want your love there. And also on Instagram and TikTok on the same handle at GreatLobbyist. And of course, if you want more information, you can always log on to our website www.greatlobbyist.com, where you can keep yourself updated with the latest news, reviews and views about all the products in the technology industry. Now, getting straight on to business, this is a great product. Let me get my hands on this. Here we go, guys. This is beautiful. So let's first of all straight away get on to absolutely quietly, get on to open this box, find out what's inside it, and tell you all about it one by one. So getting to open this first. On the box, as you can see, nothing fancy, just the product, some basic information here, some TRA information here, and some basic specs. We're going to tell you all about these specs, and then we will. First of all, let's get to open this bad boy right here. This, and we have EZVIZ. So as we remove it, it's this beautiful plastic security cover here, which have been stuck on top, but it is not. I'm going to keep it here, and we have the EZVIZ camera. There we go. Let's get rid of this as well. So guys, this is a beautiful looking camera, as you can see, and it's got all 360-degree angle viewing, which we're going to tell you all about it. The camera is right here, and we have the reset button here, and very simple, we've got the RJ45 networking cable, which you can plug directly in, power cable for micro USB, and the micro SD card slot, which we're going to tell you all about. Getting straight onto it, we're going to keep this a little closer, and got some paperwork, and under the hood, you want to get stuck there. Here we go. As we take this box out and we open this, we've got the power adapter, front ceiling mount template, some paperwork, and the ceiling mount, so that if you want to mount it on the ceiling and watch it instead of placing it on the table. And we got the power cord here right over it. Nothing else. That's pretty much it. We're going to get rid of all these boxes, keep them on the side so that they don't bother us. Here you go. And we're going to keep all this. So we're going to keep picking this up from here as we move on. Let's keep the box on the side. So guys, this is a great looking cam, as you can see. It looks elegant, and it is not just elegant, it's going to keep you safe. So let me tell you all about it. It's got 2K resolution and a 4x digital zoom, which is pretty awesome. Now, 2K with true WDR technology. Now, WDR means you're getting a absolutely, overexposure is gone away, gives you ultra clear videos, and it has a 4 megapixel lens. So you can be sure that the quality of videos that you get from it is going to give you a complete insight of what's been happening inside your house when you are away. It has the auto zoom motion tracking as well. You have to enable this from your app, and of course, it tracks objects as they move. So specifically designed for human beings, because it has the AI human shape detection technology, which means any human being passing by, it will automatically detect it, zoom in closer to it if it goes a little far away, so that you can get a clear idea on who that person was and whether that person belongs to that as well. Now, this is 4x times, zooms in. That zoom, 4x zoom, actually goes 4 times closer. So 4x zoom closer to the person who's walking by to give you a clear face identification if you want. 360-degree panoramic view, whether you put it straight on the table like this, or you hang it in the mount on the ceiling with the ceiling mount directly here, so that in either ways it's gonna keep your house and your loved ones safe and help you keep them on. Now, in the night specifically, it's got infrared night vision, which is up to 10 meters, which is 33 feet approximately. The beauty part is that it automatically turns on and off the night mode, automatically detecting that the sensors detect the lighting around it and turn the night mode on when it's required. So, which is pretty awesome as well. And when it comes to the video quality, it's H.265, which is an advanced video compression technology, which means when this is recording the video, you don't have to worry about the bandwidth that is required. It requires lesser bandwidth, it takes lesser space to store, and which means you can store more of videos on the same storage space. It takes about half the storage space. Now, Also at the same time, as you can see, there's a microphone here. This is a two-way microphone. Though, if the kids are misbehaving or there's someone who you're not sure about, you can always talk to them using this speak microphones right here. So, which makes it even more interesting, especially when your kids are not behaving. You just have to talk to them and say, hey, guys, start behaving, and they can talk back with you because it's got a microphone receiver as well. So great stuff there as well, a two-way communication and like a phone call, so which is amazing. And at the same time, you can actually see them as well on your app. So everything is pretty much secured with it has a privacy shutter just in case you don't want people to see or you want to turn this on. So all you have to do is just turn the privacy shutter on and it closes the camera, which is pretty nice. And end-to-end encryption of AES 128-bit, and of course the TLS encryption protocol as well for the internet security, and of course multi-authentication steps which can be configured using the app. When it comes to storage, it has 3 storage options. It is on the cam itself. It's got some storage which is available, and of course the micro SD card slot that we saw. You can go up to 256 GB of micro SD card storage, and if that is not enough, you can always store these videos on EZVIZ cloud storage. When it comes to the app, as you can see on the screenshot, you can manage a lot of things here, not just configuring it. You can have a live view. You can have, you can communicate two-way using the app itself. Instant alert, video history. You can zoom using your app as well. And of course, it is smart home enabled, which means Alexa and Google Home as well. So pretty great there. And of course, when you want to enable notification, you can always enable notification. If someone passes by the camera, it can always send you a notification. That means in a room where nobody's supposed to be, if somebody's there, send you a notification, and you can be sure that it is something that you know of, or you're aware of, or you want to be aware of. So great stuff, guys. This is EZVIZ C6W, the great home camera. I'm going to go and set it up in my house and see what the results are. I'm going to try to take some captures and screenshots of the app as well, so that you can see how I've configured it in my house. So you can go through the whole journey. It's pretty easy to set up, as I've been told, but once you see it, you'll know. And this is towards the end of the video, you'll be able to see all this. So guys, this is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, and I'm going to sign off, keeping you safe, and you keep yourself safe. Stay at home, stay safe, keep yourself safe. Bye-bye. Peace.